It's me,
Bree reads!
Hi friends, it's me, Bree. Today, let's draw and craft a flower together, like this.
First, I'll show you how to make the mosaic flower. You'll need paper, a black pen or marker to outline, and next, seeds, rice, lentils, beans, any kind of dry food you can find. Different colors are great. And last, glue. With your outlining marker, let's draw the flower. Find the center of your page and jump up a little. Here's where we'll make our center circle for the flower. When you draw the circle, try to keep it small enough to fit inside your hand. Next, we'll draw the petals of the flower. We'll try to make them all about the same size. I'll start here and go around, boing, 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 and finish at the same spot I started. Next, the stem. Use your finger to see how big the stem should be. Now some leaves. Go out and back. And on this side, go out and back. Great! Now it's time to glue on our seeds and dry foods. I'm starting with the middle circle. I'll start with a small section first. Don't squeeze the glue too hard. A little bit goes a long way. Drop your seeds in the glue and push down lightly. Then keep going. A little bit more glue, a little bit more seeds. I'm using sunflower seeds for the center of my flower. It helps to use a Q-tip to dip in the glue so you don't use too much at once. Now, one by one, we'll fill in the petals. Take your dry food and pinch just a little. Drop it on the glue. Slowly and carefully. It can get pretty messy. I just pour the extra back into the jar. Keep going. Little bit of glue, little bit of food. Little bit of glue, little bit of food. I'm using golden flax seeds for this petal. And this one is red lentils. Yummy! I'll use the same quinoa I used before because I like yellow and this food is a yellow color. Remember, you can always go back and fill in some holes or pieces that fall down. I've got some red rice for this petal. And last, I'll use split green peas for the stem and leaves. Little bit of glue, a little bit of food. A little bit of glue, a little bit of food. There! I'll just fill in some last pieces. Ta-da! Maybe you just feel like coloring. Well, I'll show you how I like to color in this flower. Start with the same outline we used before. This time you'll need something to color with. I'm using crayons. I'll take my same outlining pen and draw some dots. This represents the seeds that live in the middle of the flower. Now, I'll use a color for the middle of the flower. I chose a golden yellow color. Next, I'm using green for the stem and leaves. Now, you can choose 3 colors for your flower, something light, medium, and darker. It could be any 3 colors you like. Today, I'm starting with yellow. Inside the petal, you're going to color, but not all the way to the top. Just about halfway. Keep the same shape as the petal, with a rounded top, like this. Take your second color and start to color on top. Go over the yellow or the color underneath just a little. We're creating different layers so it looks almost like a sunset. Don't push too hard on top of the bottom color. Keep it nice and gentle. And for our last color, this goes on the outside where you've left some white space. Color it in, and again, go over your other 2 colors just a little bit so they all blend together. Repeat for every petal till your flower is all filled in. Beautiful!
Thank you for drawing and creating with me. Whether you made a mosaic like this or colored in your flower with your favorite colors, I want to see your design. Use the hashtag #BreeDraws on Instagram to show me. Together, we can make a whole garden. You can find me on Instagram. And please subscribe to my channel for more books and more fun. See you next time. Bye-bye!